Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax refund not received problem quickly. Yeah, if you're expecting your refund but haven't received it yet, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're counting on that money, but most of the time it's not a serious issue and can be checked with a few simple steps. So first, check your refund status using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. This gives you real-time updates and shows whether your return is still being processed, approved, or already sent. Next, confirm that your tax return was actually accepted. If your return was rejected, your refund won't be processed at all, so make sure everything was submitted successfully. After that, verify your bank account details if you chose direct deposit. Even a small mistake in the account or routing number can delay or misdirect your refund. Also, keep in mind that refunds can take time. Yeah, depending on your filing method and IRS workload, it may take several days or even weeks to process fully. And yeah, check for any IRS notices or emails. Sometimes additional verification is required, which can delay your refund until you respond. Finally, if it's been too long, contact the IRS or TurboTax support for help. Most of the time, these steps will help you track and resolve the issue quickly. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.